5 essential tools every DIY beginner needs. Ever thought about tackling DIY projects but don't know where to start? Equip yourself with these 5 essential tools every beginner should have. Boost your creativity and skills with the right gear. Start with a trusty measuring tape and a pencil. Accurate measurements are key to any successful project. A measuring tape ensures precision, while a pencil helps mark your spot. These simple tools make even the most complex tasks manageable. A handsaw is versatile and indispensable in the DIY toolkit. Perfect for cutting through wood and other materials, its readability and ease of use make it a must-have. Begin shaping your projects with ease. Whether assembling furniture or hanging shelves, a reliable screwdriver set is essential. Compatible with various screw types, they're your best friends for tightening and loosening tasks. Versatile and easy to handle, these are tailor-made for securing a perfect finish. The power drill is indispensable for any serious dyer. Ideal for drilling holes and driving screws, it adds speed and precision to your toolkit. Opt for a cordless model for easier mobility around your project space. Ready to start your DIY journey? Dive in by gathering these essential tools and transform your home one project at a time. Share your progress using #DIStarters and join our community for support and inspiration. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.